Footprints scatter in the morning dew. Peaks ahead, the sky so blue. Pine-scented whispers in the air. Our loyal shadow follows everywhere. Trailbound hearts, we roam so free. Mountains rising, calling me. Step by step, the world unwinds. Our virtuous song, it intertwines. Streams that chatter, rocks to climb, the echoes hum, the perfect rhyme. Laughter tangles in the breeze,